Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that your phone supports eSIM and that the carrier allows transfers. Find and update the OS to the latest build, because activation routines often require it. Once done, log into your carrier account and locate the eSIM activation QR or code. Make sure you have any passwords ready. Backup contacts and any SMS you want to keep, and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the eSIM profile can download without interruption. You now add the eSIM profile via your phone's cellular settings. Tap Add Cellular Plan or Install eSIM and scan the carrier QR code or paste the activation code. As the profile downloads, follow prompts to verify identity. Expect SMS codes or carrier app confirmation. Once installed, assign labels like primary or secondary and choose which plan handles data, voice, and messages. This step moves service logically so calls and texts route correctly. Make sure you finish by restarting the phone to ensure settings apply, then verify the eSIM shows service and signal bars. Make a test call and send a text to confirm voice and messaging work. Check mobile data. Once everything functions, you can remove the physical SIM. If something goes wrong, try toggling airplane mode, reinstalling the eSIM profile, or rescanning the QR, and if problems persist, contact your carrier with the IMEI and activation code, ready so they can complete provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.